anybody that thinks that they can do this job, I think they should, go through the assessment and go to the meetings that, there's lots of meetings, aren't there, that are for, foster carers, and foster carers go to these meetings
do
as well,
research,
don't they, to talk, do your
definitely.
research.
Speak to foster carers, follow the forums.
And foster carers are always available at recruitment events. So, I've done a few. I think you
I
guys
haven't done any yet
couple.
because of COVID times and stuff, but I'm looking forward to doing that.
Yeah, that's good, and it's nice to just be able to have, and they provide that facility. I know it's been Teams, and that's worked actually quite well. But they do, and I'm guessing now, live events and things. And everyone's just lovely. Just go and chat and find out the real deal, which is what we're talking about now, isn't it, essentially?